Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a picture using Microsoft Copilot. And by the way, this tool is very different than Microsoft Designers, even though they often be confused as the same tool, but these two are different. The model on Microsoft Designer is DALL-E 3, which is not as good as the one on Microsoft Copilot, because on this platform it is using GPT-image-1, which is the same image model as in ChatGPT, and you know how good that model really is compared to other existing models. So let me show you how you can use this free AI tool to create a picture. Alright, let's navigate to copilot.microsoft.com and then you can sign into your Microsoft account. So here I'm going to create a new chat window, and here you have to describe the intention that you want to create a picture. You can write something like generate a picture, or maybe create a picture, or maybe visualize something, etc. But basically the wordings have to be explicit that you are trying to create a picture. So for this example, I'll try to recreate this picture again that I just created using Microsoft Designer. I'm going to copy this prompt, and I'll show you that the models that are used on these two platforms are different, and you'll see that this AI tool is way better compared to Microsoft Designers. So this process will take quite a while because it is using a more advanced model, but again, the result is not going to be disappointing. Alright, so this is the result of GPT-image-1 on Microsoft Copilot, and as you can see, this picture is way better than the ones from Microsoft Designer. If you look closely at the face, it is way better and much more detailed compared to the ones from this AI tool. If you look closely at the face, it just doesn't feel right, and also the details of the picture is just missing. So that's why I highly recommend to use this tool as an alternative to ChatGPT, especially if you are running out of credits on ChatGPT. You can use Microsoft Copilot to generate a picture using the same image model. So I hope you find this video to be useful, and I'll see you on my next video.